pwede ba namin kayong hinga ng short message, each of you?
Just 1 to 100 sentences.
Like, you can give a message to the anchors or to the Horizon member itself.
Ayan. Short message. Sige.
Short message.
Simulan natin kay Mami
Rai. Kay Mami Rai. Ayan.
Okay, parang cutting off naman ako. Well, this isn't just for Jiro, this is for the entire Horizon. Whatever happens, you know, you see anchors sometimes, cats and dogs, no? But at the end of the day, you know guys, that we're also here for you. We are always rooting for you, for your success, and we will always be here for you. For our dancing machine, alam naman niya na to. And you know, Jeremy, we love you so much, no, Bunso, and we know from the very beginning, you inspire, at that age, you inspire a lot of anchors, not just anchors, but a lot of dreamers as well. So keep on pushing, keep on doing what you are doing, and we are always here for you. We love you, Jeremy.
Ayan, so, syempre for Kyler, message for Kyler, Horizon, and
sa lahat po ng pumunta, tapos galing pa po sa malayo. Maraming salamat po sa pag-support kay Kyler at sa Horizon. Yan lang po, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. And for Kuya Chong, grabe, daming fans talaga.
First of all, I just want to say thank you sa Kimchi's Army, and then sa nag-sponsor dito na show, and sa patuloy na pag-support sa Horizon. Let's support always.
Ayan. Thank you po. And for Horizon, Marcos.
Hello. Thank you din sa inyo anchor sa Horizon, especially kay Marcos sa pagiging inspiration namin. And andito lang kami para sa inyo lagi. At salamat din sa Radiance ni Marcos kasi nag-stay pa rin sila hanggang ngayon.
Ayan.
I love you all.
Thank you po. Ayan. Yung admin ng Winston, nagtanong siya sa akin kanina, magsasalita po ba ako? Hindi. Pero sorry. Short message for Winston.
Kay Winston po, lagi po nandito yung jam song para sa kanya. And sa anchors po, thank you for supporting Horizon especially and Winston.
Ayan. And for Benji, ayun. Sige, nagkitagahawak na lang si Trisha. And for Benji, ang ating host.
Pasensya na po, bibig po ako for today. Kasi siya yung ako po ang Isha. Ayun. Sorry. Ayun, Benji. Kung naririnig mo man to.
Uy!
Siyempre, maririnig ka yan. Somewhere there. Ayun. Happy Anib. Happy Anib sa atin.
Hindi sa inyo.
Happy Anib sa inyo. Sa inyo pala. Nakika ako. Tsaka ayun, wish ko lang.
Wish ko lang! Uy, di tayo bayad dito ng GMA.
Wish ko lang, good health for everyone and continued success. Sorry.
Ayan.
Love you, babe.
And syempre, lastly, from our katoto.
Happy anniversary, babe.
Uy!
So, thank you so much for supporting Racer, and also, message ko na kay Racer is to stay healthy and sana mas pumuti ka pa ulit! Pumuti pa! So, yun lang. Thank you so much for supporting our introverted but very talented Racer Eva.
Ayan. Ayan, so can we go?
Ayan. Wait po, picture po muna tayo. Sa lahat ng ano.
Take a picture.
Center po tayo, center. Center. Ayan.
Mga takot sa harap eh.
Wait lang, dito tayo. Ba't parang wala tayo sa center? Sige, okay na nga yan. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
Okay, so...
Okay, yun. 1, happy.
So can we shout, Happy
Anniversary, Horizon!
And 3,
You can now blow. Ayan.
Ayan. Thank you so much
Ayan.
for the families.
Welcome to the
and
Christian
kids.
world.
Ito,
Sorry.
Binyag pala.
So, ayan.